This is Makeup Battle Season 1, the ultimate contest of brains, beauty, and creativity. Each week, 2 artists will put their skills on display in front of a live virtual audience hosted by Picture Studios. The winner of this head-to-head battle will advance to the next round for a shot at our grand prize of $500. The contestants are ready, so let the games begin. Hey everybody, I'm Crystal from Picture Studios, and this is Makeup Battle Season 1. I'm joined today by Gavin Honse and Sha'Brittany Evans for a head-to-head makeup battle. Hi guys.
Hello.
Welcome back. All right, before we begin, I'm pleased to announce that Shelby Bailey was the winner of last week's makeup battle. Shelby won 53% of the vote and had an average score of 4.03. Congratulations, Shelby. All right. I also want to send a special thank you to Kiara, who did a fantastic job as well. The count was very close and every vote made a difference. Today's contest is the third matchup of the freestyle round. During this round, the makeup artist will have the challenge of completing the same look as their opponent. The challenge for today's battle is Filthy Rich, using the colors green, white, and black. Now let's meet our guests, starting with Sha'Brittany. Hey, Sha'Brittany.
Hey.
What have you been up to since your last time on the show?
So I've been up to just perfecting my craft, working my business. I'm a makeup artist here in Charlotte. So just taking on more clients and, just waiting to do the next battle.
All right. Well, welcome back.
Thank you.
All right, Gavin. What have you been up to?
Not much. I've just been traveling, fine-tuning my body painting, getting in tune with myself and my craft.
Welcome back to you as well. All right, guys, let's start the show with Gavin's journal. This is a behind-the-scenes view of the Filthy Rich look that he created at the studio. When the video is finished, we'll reveal the final look, and then Sha'Brittany will have a chance to critique it.
Hey guys, just arrived at the studio for round 2. So we are going to go in and get started. Here we go, guys. About to walk in the store again. Let's go. Alrighty, so I've made some airbrush paints because we're going to use mostly an airbrush for this look. And I'm going to be using the colors green, black, and white. And then we got ourselves a little snazaroo white cake pots. And I'm just gonna go in and do my base using these colors. And then I will update you in about 10, 20 minutes or so. So let's go. All right guys, so this look is very crazy. It is, it's definitely a trust the process kind of look. I'm about 10 minutes in right now. I've got part of the body done, got some of my face done. I'm gonna go ahead and work on the eyes, finish the body, and then do my hands, and come back and show you guys where I'm at after that, and then we will proceed from there. So I will see you in a little bit. All right, here's where we're at so far. I've got some body paint on, I've got some pearls on, lashes, the eyes are almost done. I am going to go in, add some final touches, and then I will come back and show you guys what it looks like when I am all done. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I chose to do like a billionaire alien kind of vibe. Kind of went in the box, did some body painting. I have my signature white lenses in, of course. I hope you guys like the look. If you do, follow me on Instagram at @GHonse1 and vote for me. Don't forget to vote. I need your votes to make it to this round. Thank you.
All right, Gavin, what was your inspiration for this look?
The colors were my inspiration. I saw green and it spoke to me and said extraterrestrial. So I did like an alien, and then the category was filthy rich. So I was like, billionaire alien. Just makes sense.
Only you, Gavin. All right, Sha'Brittany, are you ready to critique it?
Yes, I am. Yeah, so I absolutely love this, Gavin. The look was absolutely bomb. You took it to a whole nother level. I mean, I was like, wow. It was just extraordinary. I mean, so many words I can describe it. I love the body paint, the colors, the contour with the green, the pearls. I mean, you did a phenomenal job. I have to give you your credit.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I mean, the same thing Sha'Brittany said. I don't even know where to start. The beginning, the middle, the end, you did a great job overall. Yeah. I love the pearls. So that was like part of my favorite part. And the green, it was really good.
Yes.
Now it's time for Sha'Brittany's journal. This is a behind the scenes of the filthy ritual that she created at the studio. When the video was finished, we'll reveal the final look, and then Gavin will have a chance to critique it.
What's up, y'all? It is your girl, Sha'Brittany. I am back yet again. I'm so excited. Thank you so much to everybody who voted for me last time in the first round. So I am back again, and I am going to kill it, and I'm going to bring fire yet again to this look, and I can't wait for y'all to see it. I look rough right now, but listen, just scratch this right now, because when y'all see me, y'all gonna be like, what? Give it, girl, come on. I'm gonna be that queen that I am, and the queen of the Queen City, okay? So I will see y'all in the next clip, and I'll check y'all out soon. Bye. Okay, everyone, so I'm here in the studio. Just got everything settled. My brows are partially done, but I just wanted to come back on here and let you guys know that for today's look, it is including the colors green, black, and white. So that's what's going to be the theme for today. Like I have $1 million. I don't, but one day I will. I'm going to manifest that, all right? Okay, guys, so I am back. My eyebrows are done. Eyes are prepped for the color. I have the P. Louise blank canvas on my eyes. So it's going to make the color pop even more with having that base on it. So when I come back, I will have my eyes done or halfway done. I'm not too sure, but I'll be back shortly. All right, guys, so the eyes are finally done. I have the bling going on, the green, silver right underneath, and the black in the outer corner here. So I'll be back with my contour and foundation, everything applied. Okay, guys, thanks so much for still tuning in. So I now have my contour and my highlight applied. So I'm going to blend this out, and then when I come back, I will have the final look for you guys. Thank you so much for everyone supporting Picture Studios, and to all the makeup artists that's affiliated with this platform, and we greatly appreciate each and every supporter. Okay, guys, so this is the final look here. This is the filthy rich vibe look that I came up with. I have the crown here on my head. I have the diamond necklace with the earrings to match. And then here's my lids, the ombre green lip color, and the diamonds on the side. So thank you so much for tuning in this week. Thank you so much for the support always. And as always, please follow my social media accounts, Britt on the Beat Boo on Instagram and Facebook. And I hope you guys vote for me this week, and I will hopefully as well see you in round 3. You guys have a great one. Bye.
All right, Sha'Brittany, what was your inspiration for this look?
So, like Gavin said, like the color green just reminds me of money, of course. And with this being filthy rich, you know, me being a queen and me having my crown never stepping down, I just include that. And with the diamonds, the glitter, just make it sparkle. I'm gonna just make it shine. And I really enjoy doing this look.
You did a great job. All right. All right, Gavin, are you ready to critique it?
I am.
queen. You are a queen.
Yeah.
That look was so stunning. The eyes,
Thank you.
the glitter, the rhinestones, the cut crease, the shade of green, the colors on your lips, your skin looked flawless, the hair was on point, that crown was beautiful. The whole look was just so stunning.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
He took the words right out of my mouth. It was from the hair, like you said, the crown. The crown got me. I was like, wow, she just keeps a crown laying around at home all the time.
Always.
No, I love that, and the cut crease was great. You guys did a really great job this round.
Thank you.
All right, guys. Well, I want to thank everybody for watching Makeup Battle Season 1. Make sure you tune in next week when we announce the winner of today's matchup. Next week, we'll have a competition between Kayla Smoot and Crystal Jennings. So be sure to follow our official hashtag, MakeupBattleShow, for updates. Bye, guys.
Bye.